what's up, guys? I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas.
Merry Christmas, people.
Merry Christmas. I hope you're enjoying Boxing Day today.
Yeah, boy.
But we're going to upload tomorrow, Sunday Boxing Day.
Yeah. We are doing it now, but when you don't see it, that will be Boxing Day. So
yeah, so
I don't know the shirts.
hope you're enjoying the holiday, eat no food, and drink liquor responsibly, and enjoying yourself, good family time, and all. So, guys, as we're telling in the last video, so we had some. Let me say again.
Exciting news. That's what you said.
Exciting news.
Yeah, like I said, exciting news, guys. We're gonna be so excited. That was it.
And that was it.
Yeah.
And that was it with you. Oh Lord.
Yeah, so we just
So
plan
we
to have a
have
little sit down and drink and talk with you guys, you know.
Yeah, we have some good news. Yeah, we're not pregnant, so that's not it. So we're going to get that excitement out there away from no. Yeah, we might already started that neither. So, what thing that we're talking on?
Okay.
Basically, what will be it was really my story or my journey, but you know most but I depend with me. We get a little film 1 and 2, but I'm mostly me I gotta talk.
Yeah,
so
so
a lot of injustice.
we are a support system, you see it. So you don't know that got.
Yeah. So I don't even know how to start it, but I'll just jump into it. What we will be what's my vacation?
This looks sexy, boy.
Looks sexy.
Yeah, it looks sexy, boy. I tell you. Alright. Yeah, guys, sorry. I don't want some short holding the cup there. Know everything we have to share with them here. We're a sharing family, right?
Yes.
That is it.
So we will be alright, January. January coming the first Monday. First Monday?
Yeah.
I think the first Monday. The first Monday in January we will be starting our IVF journey. We're too late.
Oh, sorry.
So we will be starting our IVF journey, guys. Yay! And the best part about it is that you will be along with us on the journey as our extended support group.
Right. Yeah, we extended support family.
Yeah, so if anybody who has is doing IVF or had done it before, want to get in contact with me for help me along, tell me their experiences and things that we can expect, you guys can leave a comment down below in the comment section, or you can contact me on my Instagram and we talk. But so I'll start January. The first thing they say, alright, before me even reach there, so reason we decided to take that route is because we have been trained for the past, I would have said 11.
Good well. Couple
Yes.
years well.
And it never worked. No matter what we try, no matter what we do, it never works. So we went to a doctor, got some tests done, and
Something that tastes nice, boy.
result. It's about something, sir.
Oh, sorry, it tastes nice too.
We get the result, and the result came back that it showed that my tubes them blocked, right? So the both of them were blocked proximally. I don't remember, proximally occlusion or something like that the farm said. So when I go back to the doctor and thing and I talked to them, they said that the only option was IVF. That was like a few years ago and thing, and keep on saying we're gonna do it, we're gonna try it, but we just want to see if we try other methods and stuff if it would work out for it. So we get all type of things, we get bush,
Hey!
we get pills, we get all type of things, and they never work. So we decided, say this is the route I will take now. This are the
Other option?
other option,
Yeah.
or the final option.
Yeah,
That would be the final option, because the final option would be to adapt. So that would have been the final option. So this will be another option that we will try.
Yeah, we finally have to do that one.
Finally.
As she said, we try a whole heap of different things, you know. other person suggest things where maybe work for them or work with somebody with them know,
Yeah.
you know, but they never really work. So we have to take a different, more medical route.
You know, I tell you, infertility is like a touchy topic for females or for person in general because all people stigmatize it. Like, them see you have a boyfriend or you reach certain age, you never reach age, you never pin age, you never get a pin age, you never do this and that.
Especially Jamaican people, yo, them terrible man.
And when you go breathe, and when you go this, and when you go that, and you don't want to say to them, you know, we've been trying for years and it not happen because you know them are going to say you're mule or you can't breathe.
Yeah,
People
some
start
very
to
disrespectful and degrading things, you know.
So it's something where I know a lot because I do my research. I've done researches on it and I know say a lot of other females, a lot of other persons because both male and female have that problem.
I was just going to say that too, you know, because I don't say, yo, they'll interject and say, the man them not feel like say, them get it from it too, you know, because what you're going now, you have some style. I'm telling about Jamaican people. Can't talk about other people over the world. I don't really know nothing about other people. I talk about yes. See me? Oh, you're gelding. Your ball square.
Jump over the gelding chuck.
You know, or whatever. You know, you know the colloquial terms that them use for the man them too. You get me? So, and it's so funny. Some man might say, but me have a youth already, X, Y, Z. So me I say, you still don't know, brother, because remember, you know, your body go through changes and all these things. Anything can happen to you, and you don't know, like, especially like things like them. Because if you never know, you know now. You see me? You have an inserting picture. Me, we can insert in picture. Yeah, me and father, of course, we can do it, not need no permission. Of course. You know? I have a 14-year-old son. You see me? Big boy. So if me I did maybe the what I call it now, the average Jamaican man, maybe more than I say, oh, yo, me have a son already. So I can't mind fault. Wait. No. You see me? Me have to do my little soldier test. Make sure say my soldier them still a march strong. You understand what I say? So we're going to troubleshoot the issue and see where the thing there, and then we take it from there. So.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, so I just want a lot persons who watch this will go through the same thing as me.
Yeah,
just know that you're not alone. I show them ever wheel up. Just know that you're not alone out there. There are other persons out there who are going through the same issues as you are as me, right? But we're just afraid to talk because we're afraid what people are gonna say. But just know it's not anything that you did and it's your fault, and you go up in there and block it, or for instance you had something and them have to remove your ovaries or stuff like that. It's not your fault. Anything will happen like that is not your fault.
Yeah, don't blame yourself. You know it's easier said than done, but don't blame yourself.
It's not your fault. I know a lot of times, and me a lot of times I sit down and I be like, so I'm coming, where this sense? God say every multiply. What sense me there for? It don't make no sense. Why am I here? It's like me I want boop and a stickers on me here on the TV one time, cause you're not useful. That them thing they go through your head, but you are here for a purpose, because I know say a whole heap of things they do for people, a whole heap of people you own help. And that is what your purpose is most of the time. When the purpose alone you come with us, I'll pick me. You have a lot of other things that you are put here for. And maybe if I never for you, that somebody they would have maybe wouldn't be here for even look for you and tell you thanks, or for even turn them back for you, because all the ungrateful people you have. Right? So just look on the brighter, the brighter or the broader, I want to say, the broader aspect to life. Right? There's many other things that you can do. There's many other ways. You have a whole heap of other women out there. But it's just what it is. It is what it is.
It's just life, you know, certain things happen to you sometimes in life. You say, maybe you say, Jano, man, salty man, but yo, I just life,
yeah,
man.
Just so it for go. We blame ourselves as women, and man we have them problem there, blame themselves, and sometimes there's nothing you can do. Sometimes you eat healthy, you do all the way the guidelines them that way you have to do you and tip top shape, healthy, and still, they can be unhealthy. Sometimes you see some big, some, whatever they call them now, fluffy woman. And you say the woman, nah, keep them body healthy and them care for healthy children. So it really and truly don't have to do with nothing like that. No matter what you do, if I saw if you say, I just say if you say. So like me, that's foolishness.
No.
Oh, may I ask?
No, man.
Just a show say sometimes it have
understand
anything to do with
still.
your health. Cause you know you got doctor say me be more healthy. That wouldn't happen when it not really have anything to do with that. You see it. Sometimes persons catch it from it in the early stages, like parents with your female and your girl picking them and your boy picking them. Sometimes you have to be more intuitive with them and them body, like when they might have them periods and stuff like that. Because whole heap of time ovarian cysts start from that young age, right? And it get worse. It end up get worse when them. The more them grow, the worse it gets. Some persons want to shrink and go away, some don't, right? And it get worse. And if you did, maybe I now say pay more attention to your child, but if you did pay more attention to her monthly then and pains that she have and maybe carry her to the gyno to kind of check her out and thing, you could have discovered that and try and maybe prevent it from getting worse when she get older. From getting worse when she get older, you see it. So yes guys, that just no one blab or just just a blab. So but that are the exciting news I want to share with you now.
Yeah, so as Ken say, don't know K&J clan. We have a journey with we throughout the whole, or if not the whole, the most of the process.
Yeah, all of the uncles and the auntie, the K&J uncles and aunties.
Yeah. You know it got already. So don't know now get maybe some little footage or like clinic days or
anything like that, but we are trying to make on be a part of it as much as possible along with the journey with we, cause this will be our first time doing something like that. So any amount of support we can get, meaning as I said when we just start, you telling us your experiences if you had been through it before. I know somebody who got through it. We really and truly appreciate as much of that support as possible. Or any other support, good luck.
Yeah,
hope it work out. Yeah, we are cheerful now, cause
yeah, we don't know the prayer warriors them. You know it already. You just gonna show out some prayer. Same way, you see me, cause you know it go. Can't live out God out of the midst and nothing at all. You understand? The Almighty happy night. Right, true. Everything you do, you see it, people, so don't know what to say. That's our news still.
Yes.
You see me?
I hope it's as excited to you guys as it is to us.
Yeah,
for us, because we're excited. It's been a while.
Yeah, she more excited than me still. Not saying me not excited still, but me excited for she, cause me know she always like admire children. Kids she up from me know her till now she about them say when she and them thing the anytime pick the band in her scheme she there people in yard cause she love baby. You see it, so as I say guys, just don't go and travel with it, don't know, and pray for it so the thing work out as best as it can. You see me, cause me know Ian would have been so happy to be a mother. You see me? As I tell her, my reason with her and tell her, say, me have the joy already for no say. Me have a parent still, you understand? So me know the feeling, she no experience it as a female, if you get that experience if and that bond with a child we say my picnic. You get what I say? So that's why me say she more excited than me. You get me? So you don't know.
Yes, so I was gonna say, his first appointment, because he must go do a semen analysis test to make sure that all I'm swimmers them alright. And yeah, swimming. So he must go do a semen analysis test. And that's going to be the first Monday in January, as we say. So the first Monday in January is supposed to get the first official report.
Yeah, report.
The first official report
on the
whole
situation.
thing. So right there, so now you know, so the ball.
I know,
Start roll.
Cause them would have get by the results like right away. I would have go wait.
I think I don't know where it go.
I think it depends. It depends on if it's like an immediate result thing.
Yeah.
Or maybe we'll have to wait after, I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe the thing, but
Maybe have to just record like himself or go and go do it
and then we know say
then
just like
you know say fine when we go for the result then we add back to it. So
yeah, we just do the sit down.
Yeah.
Like how we sit down, yes, and I tell you, we just sit down with you know and tell you know what I go and say me.
So I guess like the time after that no we
will get a vlog.
Yeah, we're gonna get a vlog. But for the first time we might just do that and get that. You know really I gonna be too much of vlog about, but yes. Yes. We're ready. We are ready for this journey, guys, and we hope that you are ready.
Well, that's something last time, Bobby.
Potatoes are glutting it down.
It's nice bread, Jane, the coconut vibes. Yeah. Sorry, guys.
No, sir. Anyways, so yes, guys. Yay! So we just hope you enjoy this journey with us, all of the K and J. When we say uncles and aunties and cousins, them.
Yeah, yeah.
We just stay up on the journey with we, and as I said, we will always appreciate as much support as possible. Right? Cause especially when we're reaching a stage where you start get the juke them and your arm on and all over the place. Man need help. So
let me have to go rent a different room here to go job.
Whatever. So guys, enjoy your Boxing Day, and I hope you like this video, and remember to like, comment, subscribe and share the video. Share. See me I'm little baby, right?
Yeah. Little K and J. She this is up.
Yeah. Oh yes, look at the little baby. So guys, we know we always say ready.
Stay safe.